Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Latif Rifai and I am a student at a Universitas Siber Asia. Today I'm here to present my final exam assignment for my English course. I hope this presentation will be informative and engaging. Terima kasih. In an era of rapidly growing globalization, the ability to speak a foreign language has become an available skill and is often considered a necessity. Children who are introducing to foreign language from an early age have a greater opportunity to develop better in various aspects of life. A foreign language education for children not only helps them master another language, but also has a positive impact on their cognitive, social, and academic development. Many studies have proven that children who start learning a foreign language at an early age have a strong memory, sharper critical thinking of skill, and find it easier to understand the structure and pattern of a new language later in life. With an increasingly interconnected global environment, those with a foreign language skill also have a broader career opportunity and can adapt better to various situations. Therefore, it is essential for parents and educators to provide access to foreign language learning for children from an early age, using fun and interactive methods to make the learning process more effective and enjoyable. Hello everyone, good morning. Today we have the opportunity to talk with an amazing individual. She is a professional translator at a renowned automotive company, and outside of his busy schedule, she also dedicated her time to teaching private English lesson at home. What makes this interview even more special is that she's not only an expert in her field but also my colleague and friend at home. Hello, Miss Nisa. Thank you for taking the time to chat with us today. How are you?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing well, and thank you for having me, Fai. As he mentioned before, currently I'm working as translator at Toyota Boshoku Device Indonesia, and at my spare time, I also teaching English lesson at home.
Amazing. So, besides working as an translator, you also have experience teaching English privately. What inspired to you share your knowledge through private lesson?
Yeah, that's right. And I believe that language is very crucial communication tools, especially English is one of international language that used globally. But unfortunately, I've seen so many people that still struggling to speaking in English, even though it's very needed in this day for education and professional field. That's why I want to help them to learn English from very early stage, so that they have uh, more confident to use English in daily conversation and for communication tools.
That's very interesting. Today's topic is how important is it to introduce foreign language, especially English, to children from an early age? In your opinion, how important is it for children to be introduced to English as early as the playground stage?
In my opinion, children at playgroup or preschool age, they have a very incredible ability to absorb new things much faster than adults. In this case, English is also one of it. So when we introduce English at this stage, they will become more familiar with it and won't feel hesitant to use it when they need it, whether in education or daily conversation.
That makes a lot of sense. Are there any specific method or strategies that you find effective in teaching English to young children?
I guess the most effective method for young children is through fun, interactive play. For example, we can use English songs or interactive games or reading storybooks that engaging illustration. So by using this way, the learning stage or the learning session will become more fun and children don't see it as burden.
Wow, that's a great approach. Do you have any interesting experience or success story from children who started learning English at an early age?
Yes, I have. One of my students start to learning English at the age of 4, and just by a few months, she can understand simple instruction in English. And by the time she entered elementary school, she was much more confident to speaking with English compared to her peers. And I think it show that the earlier children are introduced to foreign language, the easier for them to master it.
That's really interesting. Lastly, do you have any message for parents who want to introduce English to their children from any early age?
My message is don't be afraid to introduce English at a very early stage, even though if you are not fluent yourself. You can use fun media such like songs or children movies or educational games. And for the most important point is the consistency, continue exposure, and of course practice will make children more to learn language more quickly and naturally.
Thank you so much for your time and for sharing such valuable insight. I hope more parents realize the importance of early English learning. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. I'm so happy to share it, and I hope this short discussion will be helpful.